some targets in the middle of the field like to land next to. They're going to keep you out of this field. They're arduous. Climb, let's get you high. Climb. Sit back in your seat, lean back, buddy, chill out. Lean back. Power on, let's climb. Climb. Let's give you some work to do. Good. Now back off your power onto idle. You're going to fly down on idle, no power. Good. To them. To Mark, who's going to wave at you. Mark, give him a big wave. Good. From me to Mark. Back to me. Do not enter the field. Fly at Mark. Mark's waving at you. No drift. Don't go behind me. Fly to Millie. Fly to Mark. Don't go into the field. Stop looking at the field. Look at Mark. Hold that line. Don't go into the field. Look at Mark. Don't go into the field. Now go into the field. Smoothly. Hands up. Smoothly. Stand up. Engine off. Engine off. Flare. Stand up. Lean forward. Turn around. Put it down. Walk forward. Woohoo! That's it. Bring it up. Keep going. Hold it there. A little bit more.